Good evening, everyone. First Friday after Diwali. Hope you guys had a wonderful Diwali. I take this opportunity to wish you a belated happy Diwali to everyone. Right, and welcome you to this session with Mr. Ajay Shikre. He needs no introduction. If I go on read about his accomplishments and all, I'm sure I'll take half the time of today's session. So I'll leave that job to Dr. Sundajan. I'll take you through TIE, what TIE is all about, what TIE stands for. So I'll take around 5 minutes of your time and then hand over the session. So TIE is all about fostering entrepreneurship through advocacy, awareness and assistance. It was started way back in 1992 by Indian entrepreneurs, iconic Indian entrepreneurs like Kanwal Rekhi, Vinod Khosla, to name a few. It has always been focused on nurturing next generation as well as the current generation of entrepreneurs. So far we have presence in 17 countries, 61 chapters and over 15,000 members and counting. TIE hosts a lot of events. One of them is TIECon. We'll shortly talk about a lot of other events which TIE Pune does. One of the celebrated events which happen across the globe, TIECon, happened in Pune for the first time on 30th of March, wherein we saw iconic speakers including the famous Murthy duo, Mahesh Murthy and Narayan Murthy. We saw the highest turnout there for the first sessions. Then we have programs like My Story Sessions, something like the one which we are having today, again in different flavors, Puneri brands, among a host of others, including the inheritors to inhibitors. Then this session usually happens on first and third Fridays right at this venue. Then we have mentoring sessions, one-on-one sessions with senior entrepreneurs where a lot of charter members from TIE Pune come across and help fellow entrepreneurs, people who want to start out. One of such initiatives is Nurture 2.0, and we recently launched Nurture 3.0, which I'll shortly talk about. Then there's a very interesting session called Breakfast Meetings, personally one of my favorites as well. These are the topics are again picked up from business tracks, different topics. We invite people, senior people from the industry who talk about various topics. It happens on alternate Thursdays at Grub Shop, which is a few kilometers away from here. Then training workshops. We do a lot of full day trainings, workshops and half day training workshops. As and when those sessions happen, the mailers are floated out. Other events like B-Plan competition, collaborative events with other ecosystem partners, I'll shortly talk about these. So My Story Sessions, so far we have seen 30 My Story Sessions starting from April 2012, so on an average 2 sessions per month. Again, first generation entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs, inheritors to innovator series and Puneri brands. These sessions have been attended by over 2,500 people, and I'm sure these numbers are not updated, they are way higher. If you have missed out on some of these sessions are recorded here. You can go back and watch some of the previous sessions on YouTube and photographs on Facebook. This is a quick glance on what topics and who were the speakers here for My Story session. Interactive breakfast meetings, I've just spoken about this. So the timing is usually alternate Thursdays, 8:30 to 10:30. The mailers are floated as and when these sessions happen. Very interesting topics, again starting if you look at selling to enterprise customers, right from social media, Silicon Valley trends in coming decades, about European business culture and all of that. Other activities, TIE business plan competition. So TIE facilitates business plan competition for students here. We are just launching one more series of this TIE business plan competition. If you represent any college or if you happen to know any college, please let them know that we are doing such a B-Plan competition again. The mailers will be again floated shortly. You can get in touch with Mandar for this. Workshops I have spoken about. Then I'll talk about new initiatives which are basically around Stree Shakti Women Entrepreneurs Forum and Nurture 2.0 2.0 which happened last year, and the highlights of it. It started in November last year. The second batch graduated in January this year. Recently we have mentees graduated out from Nurture 2.0 on 19th of October. They were facilitated at the hands of Mr. Ramudarai. We have just declared Nurture 3.0. The mailers have gone out earlier this week along with the application questionnaire. If you have got that and if you are interested, I'll request you to apply. Again, TiE Pune mentoring program, as I mentioned, that senior entrepreneurs, charter members help other members. If you are interested, then please write to mentoring at pune.tie.org. Then this is something which I would like to highlight. We got the best turnaround chapter among the 61 chapters, and we were selected as the top chapter among the 5 selected as finalists. This event happened at Athens, Greece, and TiE President, Pune President, Mr. Vishwas Vajan took the award there. So this is a achievement which TiE is proud of, and it would not have been possible without the volunteers. So finally, let TiE happen to you. If you are not already a TiE member, I request you to get in touch with Mandar or others. You can drop in a mail to ed@pune.tie.org or call up this number. Now, without further ado, I'll request Dr. Sundararajan to welcome our guest, Ajay Shirke.
Good evening to all of you. Good evening. We have with us today Mr. Ajay Shirke. I would like to say that he needs no introduction or whatever he is known in public. But the reason I called him here for something that not many of you may be aware of. I met with him 7-8 years back in his office, supposedly on a topic on paper industry. Then after we finished talking for a while, he kind of pulled out a few magazines and said, "Have you seen this?" I said, "No." He said, "These are the speakers that we make." I said, "Ajay Shirke speakers, Pune?" And I didn't believe it for a while. And suddenly he kind of stood up and said, "Well, the only thing I knew of was the Bose speakers. I mean, they were kind of iconic. You hear about this all the time." And then for whatever reason, she uttered a sentence, "The Bose speakers, they're junk." So I was kind of taken aback. I said, "Okay, here is something that I didn't know. Not that I knew much about speakers, but I didn't know what, Bose has a name and whatever." Then I kind of got involved a little bit more to understand, what he meant by it. And then a little bit later, about a couple of weeks back, I got free from my professional work for a while. I said, "Okay, what should we do?" I said, "We should call this gentleman, talk to him. He should actually tell the audience about why he said that most speakers are junk." How many of you are like music lovers here? Are there? You're a good audience here, a very good audience. Thank you for coming here today. I think it will be wonderful for you to interact with him to figure out what he is up to. Well, Ajay, before we go deeper into where you are, let's just go back to your family background. You briefly talked about saying your family is full of engineers, and then you happened to become a commerce graduate. Can you kind of explain what was that?
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'm not a person who is habituated to speaking about myself in public or in private. And Sundar, my friend, has divulged some private conversations which in this hall could be libelious. And I think before we proceed, any liabilities that may arise would be
passed on to
Sundar. Anyway, I will defend you on that. So we will work as a team. The question was that I went into commerce background because my father was a self-made engineer who was a first-generation entrepreneur who literally